Is it really surprising that the most powerful man in the world should be a figure of controversy?
We, as a population on this planet, have been looking for a savior.
We're talking about the challenges our own sense of priority in the universe.
Human beings have a horrible track record of following people with great power.
And absolute power corrupts absolute chaos.
Maybe he's just a guy trying to do the right thing.
Better now, don't you? Devils don't come from hell.
If other warrior.
They come from the sky. The world has been so caught up with what he can do that no one has asked what he should do.
That's how it starts. The fever, the rage, the feeling of powerlessness that turns good men cruel. I think I can take you.
For some reason at Supernatural conventions, we like to shamelessly promote other movies. And I don't know why.
Who's a Superman fan out here?
Screw you.
You can be my Superman. Thank you very much.
The bit's not over. Where were the other drugs going?
That's old Batman.
Shut up.
Okay. He's so scary when he does the voice.
This is so ridiculous. Somebody take this mask off with me. I don't know what's happening.
Anybody a Batman fan? There you go. You're welcome.
Don't put that on. It does something really
Yeah.
weird. Just should be a warning label on that thing.